Keyfactor is very important for ServiceNow because we are using it to secure every services we deploy internally, to secure any service to service communication. I cannot think of running ServiceNow ecosystem without Keyfactor. ServiceNow is a 21st century cloud enterprise software platform.
We use the EJBCA from Keyfactor for our PKI solutions at ServiceNow, so we're able to issue certificates for our various use cases that we have.
Before EJBCA, we did not have full automation capabilities. We required APIs available so that we can do the automation for generating, renewing the certificates at scale.
The main reason that we really went with Keyfactor was that it allowed us to get more out of the manual work. It allowed us to be more free to think about the bigger problems that we had. We were actually able to realize more time and actually provide more work-life balance for our staff and the engineers, and with a lot more accuracy than we ever had before. EJBCA has allowed us to actually issue more certificates and become a more secure footprint because we're now able to issue certificates more dynamically for the specific purposes that they need. We have a lot more capability and freedom to be able to pull data and metrics from where our previous PKI solution never offered. Since starting working with Keyfactor, we've seen huge improvements of our observability of our certificates. We've been able to go from a completely black hole of certificates to a much more pinpointed, dashboard-driven view of what certificates we're issuing and who it's going to in the corresponding team. Partnering with Keyfactor was definitely a great decision for us.
Keyfactor is not only meeting our current business needs, but is also keeping themselves up to date with the future technology innovations coming, which are needed by us to secure more in the future.